This side-by-side refrigerator by Frigidaire is part of the Gallery series. It has a fresh food capacity of 16.6 and a freezer capacity of 9, for a total of 25.6 cubic feet. It has a gray case and features a smudge-proof stainless front that resists fingerprints, along with 2 color-matched stainless handles and an external ice and water dispenser, with all controls for the refrigerator and freezer conveniently located on the dispenser. Inside is multi-level LED lighting, a pure air filter, a pure source water filter, and 4 glass shelves with 1 slot for adjustability. 3 of the shelves feature metal trim on the edges, and 1 is stationary. Below the shelves is 1 sealed deli drawer and 2 sealed humidity-controlled crispers. One of the crisper drawers has a produce preserver inside. On the door are 5 bins. 1 serves as a dairy compartment. 2 are fully adjustable and deep enough for gallon storage. 4 have metal trim on the edges, and all door bins can be removed for cleaning. In the freezer is LED lighting, the ice maker, ice storage, 1 wire shelf, 2 glass shelves, 2 pull-out storage baskets, and 4 bins on the door.